1 divided by 500. Here 500 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 500. 500 times 0, 0, 500 times 1, 500, 500 times 2, 1000, 500 times 3, 1500. To find out the multiplication table of 500, just add 500 with the previous step. 0 plus 500, 500, 500 plus 500, 1000, 1000 plus 500, 1500, 1500 plus 500, 2000. 500 goes into 1. How many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 500. 0 times 500, 0. Subtract 1. To continue this division process, convert this whole number into a decimal number. Just take decimal and you are allowed to take any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0, but before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 500 goes into this 10. How many times? 0 times, as 10 is less than 500. Now bring down the next 0. 100. 500 goes into 100. How many times? 0 times, as 100 is less than 500. Then bring down the next 0. 1000. 500 goes into 1000. How many times? 2 times, right? 2. 2 times 500, 1000. Subtract, your remainder is 0. Since your remainder is 0, we are done. So 0.002 is our answer.